What up, guys? Random Rookies and Stars half case number 1 going live. Timestamp is 6:27. We randomized both the teams and the names. Already have them in. Throw you in a spreadsheet wherever you line up. That is who you get. Dice 4 or more. It is a 7 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the 7. Jaguars on top. 49ers on the bottom. Throw them on the spreadsheet. Whammo. So the Colts Raiders are a combo team and the Chargers Rams are a combo team. And now let's do the names. Again, 4 more. 3, not going to work. Rolling again. 8. 8 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final, number 8. Todd Kobayakawa on top. Bradley on the bottom. NDKHIA is the code for the names. Alright guys, again, wherever you line up, that's who you got. There it is. Somebody needs to teach me how to use this thing because it always goes small. Alright guys, there's your teams. Thanks everybody for getting in. Good luck, and we are done. Timestamp 6:29. Thanks guys.